Introducing the pTorn Bassbuds Vista in-ear headphones. These earphones are black in color. The box includes 2 earbuds, 1 charging case, 1 micro USB cable, 1 user manual, and extra ear caps. The product measures 4.7 by 4.7 by 2.5 centimeters and weighs 45 grams. These pTron Bassbuds are also available in blue, white, and dark grey color options. These wireless Bassbuds are IPX4 sweat and water resistant. They have a secure fit and a lightweight design. Thanks to the seamless wireless experience, these earbuds come with a transmission distance of 10 meters. The 5.1 Bluetooth technology delivers seamless music. The Bassbuds are equipped with a passive noise cancellation feature. They have a 10mm driver that offers crisp treble and deep bass. The pTron Bassbuds Vista come with a 400 mAh battery in each bud and a 400 mAh battery charging case. Thanks to the case, you can achieve extra playtime on the go. A single 1-hour full charge of Bassbuds Vista gives 4 hours of listening, and the wireless charging case extends that to another 8 hours. If not in use, the Bassbuds can reach 120 hours of standby time. The Bassbuds are equipped with a built-in ceramic mic in each earbud. They also come with voice assistant support. These Bassbuds provide seamless music and call user experience. The product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy, and further information, visit the product detail page.